Example 3. Determine the equation of a circle with radius 12 units, which intersects the x-axis at -4, 0 and the y-axis at 0, 6. How many such circles are there? Solution. To determine the equation of the circle, we need to know the radius r and the coordinates of the center of the circle. We have been given the radius r. We do not know the coordinates of the center of the circle. We have been given the coordinates of the 2 points that lie on the circle. We substitute the coordinates of point x and y into the equation of the circle. A square plus b square plus 8a equals 128. Similarly, a square plus b square minus 12b equals 108. We can now solve these equations simultaneously. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 8a plus 12b equals 20. Simplifying, we can determine the value of a in terms of b. 2a plus 3b equals 5. a equals 5 minus 3b all over 2. Substituting the value of a in equation 2, we get, expanding the brackets, we get, taking LCM of the denominator, we get, multiplying both the sides by 4, we get 13b square minus 78b minus 407 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, and there will be 2 roots to this equation. This also means that there will be 2 circles that will pass through these 2 points. We can now find the roots of the equation using the quadratic formula. Therefore, b equals 9,35 or b equals -3,35. Substituting these values of b in equation 3, we get the values of a. a equals -11,52 or a equals 7,52. The coordinates of the center are C1, -11,52, 9,35, and C2, 7,52, -3,35. Hence, one of the circles lies in the second quadrant, and the other circle lies in the fourth quadrant. We can now determine the equations of these 2 circles by substituting the coordinates of the center. Circle with center C1, x plus 11,52 the whole square, plus y minus 9,35 the whole square, equals 144. Circle with center C2, x minus 7,52 the whole square, plus y plus 3,5 the whole square, equals 144.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you, and let the math finally start mathing.